Hey guys, this is Dave from MortgageGuy.com. And Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac just announced that they're going to change the credit scoring model that they're going to use to get mortgages approved. And in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this announcement. But before I do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with more videos like this. So they just announced that they're going to change from using the classic FICO model that they've been using for 20 years now when it comes to getting conventional loans approved. And they're going to go to FICO 10T and Vantage Score 4.0, okay? Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. I've studied this and dug into it. There aren't a lot of things that are coming out that are breaking down the difference in those scoring models. Outside of the two new ones are going to possibly take into account rent and utilities, things like that, where the classic does not for the most part, unless you manually add that rental history onto it. And even then, they're not really going to score it based on that information. So that's a positive. Outside of that, there's not really much more that they're really hinting to on that. So we're not going to know until we're really into this how much those scores are different than the classic version. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Doesn't mean that it's automatically going to be better, just different, okay? They also are not giving an ETA. They're saying they're going to do this, which means in the years coming, that's going to be something that's implemented. Is that a year, 2 years, 5 years? Who knows? But they have announced that, hey, this is going to be a project that may take a couple years. So don't get excited that this is going to be a new change. They also said that they're going to allow and go to only using 2 credit scores instead of the 3 credit scores, right? So right now it's 3 credit scores on a credit report. And then the medium, right, or median, the middle score of the 3 is really the one that's used. If they go to a 2 scoring model, most likely they're going to take the lower of the 2. So this is actually maybe not good information coming out, because if one of those scores is absurdly low, we may be stuck using that one, okay? So I think sometimes with these announcements, you really got to dig into what the possibilities are and when this really goes into effect, because right now we don't even have an ETA on that. So interesting information they've come out and announced, but something that we're going to have to continue to watch, and I will be doing that for you. So stay tuned. Call or email me anything, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.